How to lock Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you guys want to lock your Facebook profile due to privacy reasons, what you'll need to do is first open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then head over to the bottom right corner on the menu section. Tap on it and then you'll see your name on the top. Tap on it to head over to your profile. After you're on your profile, you'll see your profile, you'll see edit profile and then a three-dot option. Tap on the three-dot option and you'll be on your profile settings. Now right here, you'll need to make sure that your account is not on any professional mode. If it is, simply scroll down here. Here you will see turn on. Instead of turn on, if yours is already on, you will see turn off professional mode. Simply tap on it and then you will get your lock profile option on the top right here. Now what you'll need to do is tap on lock profile and then lock your profile. Doing that, it's that simple. Now as you can see, only my friends can see the photos, posts and stories on my profile. So if you're concerned about your privacy, this is how you lock your profile. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.